hours today.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This one's called Right Turn Signal. Today we're gonna go and do a few satanic rituals. First of all, we're gonna sacrifice 837 cats to Lucifer. Hey there. Thanks for that. Also, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and drive into what we call a landmine. That's always fun. Here we got a stop sign. That's what we use the brake for. This is what I call acceleration. Jesus. I don't even have to drive with my hands. Thanks for that. Is this what the thumbnail is for? Are we taking the thumbnail right now? Welcome back to
Michigan roads.
Welcome to the thumbnail log of edit number 700,463. Since you were gone, we actually got invaded by the reptilian race. They have taken over planet Earth. All of the cities.
If there's nobody up here, I'm gonna get out and film you. Jesus. Oh my god.
Hey guys, thanks for the vlog. I'll catch you next time on Ulysses Adventures in Ireland.